Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to tell you about a secret that everyone would use. Like, it doesn't matter if you are a millionaire, multi-millionaire, anyone. If they go broke, if they lost everything, including their audience, including their YouTube channel, including everything, every asset they have in their behalf, if they lose everything, what would they do and what I would do personally. So everyone has some of the assets who which are making them money. It might be their audience, their email list, their Facebook advertisements, and multiple different things. So what would you do if you have $0 to start? Most of the pro internet marketers would do the exact same things that I'm going to tell you about, because you cannot get around this thing, guys. To create a successful business, you need money to be invested in your business, and you can investment can be small and it can be big as possible. So as much the money that is invested in your business hugely determines how much the results come. Like in Amazon FBA, most of the money would be made by the number of by the amount of the products, amount of the money invested in the products. So I would tell, I would say about you have to do those things. And guys, there is a thing known as sharing and giving value and getting paid for that. So there's an awesome strategy I'm going to share with you guys, and that is, what would I do if I lost all the money, all the things I have that are producing me money. I lost all my Shopify dropshipping business, and I don't have to do that because I literally have $0. So what would I do? So I would go on some, I would search something like dentist and my local area. Let it let's say it can be San Diego. So dentist space San Diego, and it works literally for any country out there. So whatever the place you are in, you can type it out and search for the local dentist or doctor or anyone, guys, little clinics. And these are the local, you have to search for local businesses which are operating. It might be the some construction business or something like that. Guys, there are multiple different opportunities for that. You have to search that, you have to find that website on the internet. And I trust the fact that they are making some mistakes as of now. So what you have to do is you have to point out those mistakes and tell them how they are losing their customers based on those mistakes, because they generally are. Because if they are not putting the right keywords, they are literally not gonna rank in Google for that keyword. And for dentist not to be ranked in Google with the keyword dentist, and he is ranking on some 20th page, the people don't go there generally, and 99% of the people click on the first page itself and don't go after that. So you have to make sure you have to find the people, the dentist who are behind the this thing, first page, second page. And because those are the people who are not getting visitors, they are literally hosting their website and paying for that subscription but still not getting enough visitors. So you have to help them, they are already paying and they are not getting results. You have to go there, you have to tell them about the SEO thing, which is search engine optimization, and you have to help them. You have to help them about the mistakes. You can say like, your website is missing Facebook pixel, your website is missing this thing, that thing, whatever your skill is. Suppose if you are a coder and you have that knowledge and experience in JavaScript and HTML coding, and their website is loading up slow, you can really help it out for them. So tell them about the mistakes, that there are a lot of JavaScript codes which are making your site slow and slow. So you have to get rid of those things in order to make it fast. And only Google only prefers fast site to be ranked in the search engine optimization. So you have to make those things, you have to make sure that though that website is mobile optimized, because that is important. So these are the few things which you need to focus on, and tell them about the mistakes they are making. And once they know about the mistakes, and even if someone is working for them as a digital marketer, what I would do is I would like to tell them that your digital marketer is not doing the great job, and you can hire me as well as a retainer, which will and tell your charges, and don't let your charges fall behind $1,000. Guys, $1,000 is the last. And I have done that in the past, and literally business make a lot of money, so you have to charge them $1,000 as a monthly retainer or a one time help. So for the, if you are going for a one time help, you can make bunch of money, literally make $5,000, $10,000, $2,000, depending on the problems they are having. And if they are having, the website is completely fucked up, and it literally contains lot of mistakes, lot of errors, then what you can do is you can make a report out of it and put them in the PDF. You can search online for any online PDF maker, and you can put those elements, or either you can convert from Word document to PDF and send it to them, highlighting all the mistakes they are making and how you are going to fix them. So also, you are a solution for all the problems they are having in their business as of now. That's why they need you, and that's why they need help from you. And as you do that, guys, it all depends on the skill you have. So that's why I would recommend learning a skill. If you don't have already anyone in your arsenal, I would recommend starting out with learning a skill. The most important skills are like chatbot, funnel building, and also website designing. So these are the important skills. You can learn any one of them, and you can really go out and make a lot of money from it. You have to highlight those things when you're searching for local businesses in your area, or anyone, guys. Most people business will pay you for the solutions, so you want to do that. And guys, you can also run advertisement for that. And guys, this is literally the best business model to go and start with. Guys, I have like 40% conversions when I got on a phone call with those people, because it's relevant, guys. It's relevant. Everyone wants to improve, everyone wants more customers, everyone wants to be great, to be number one in their industry. So if you tell them that your competitor XYZ is using advertisements to increase their business, and you are not doing them, so that's why you are gonna lose business, then it's gonna scare them off. And if it does not scare them off, you have to move out, because you do not want to deal with those people who are like 60-70 years old, and because those people do not trust internet as of now, and they literally do not care about their business. And so you have to make sure you find the proper clients, you have to move on properly. And out of 10 people, if you do things right, I would say like 4 people out of 10 will convert and will buy services from you, and you can literally charge them upfront or after the service. And it can be done on the things, on the deals you make with the clients. So this is the best part, and you can literally make so much money with this method. The only thing you have to do is you have to invest some time in it, and you are literally exchanging time with money. And when you go on starting your Shopify dropshipping business, then what you are gonna do is you are gonna do one thing different. You are not trading your time for money, you are trading your advertisements for money. So those advertisements are like salespeople who are gonna get out there and drive you sales, which is completely passive income. So in order to earn passive income, you need to put money in the business. So the best thing to go from is services, offering services, offering value, and helping people out in their business. But basically, you are making money, they are making money, they are getting, because they are getting more customers, and everyone is happy. So yeah, this is the entire thing that is gonna get you what you need. And also, you can also go out and help those people in the Facebook groups, because some people are active in the Facebook groups looking for help. There are some of the groups which you can find it out, like there are literally groups for people who are doctors, groups for people who are construction workers, groups for people who are similar things. So you can get out there and help them upfront, tell them about the mistakes they are making in their business and how you can help them. And you can literally charge $1,000, $5,000 based on the services you offer. So you can get the money from that, and then you can really start a passive successful Shopify dropshipping business. And that would change your entire life going on to create $1 million business by the strategies I teach in my course. Also, if you don't want to miss out on the value bombs, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell, and also join the Facebook group if you are learning dropshipping, because that community is gonna help you so much ahead in your life. And also, the things I provide in the group are very very valuable. How to deal with the merchant processor, because as you start scaling, the things will get worse, and literally everyone is gonna shut you down. So you have to make sure of the things that I teach in the group as well. So make sure you join that, and I will see you in the next one.